Here's the Midnight Raven. Today I am filming mystery bag number 6. We've done 5 previous ones and we are checking to see whether makeup mystery bags on eBay are worth the price you pay. So today's one is from Angel17444 or Angel Attire, which is their online name. And this was $3.99, and once again we have 5 items. The same as we have had in every other mystery bag this week, apart from one where it gave me a free product and there was another one that gave me a free sample in there. This one actually has 5 items. They came nicely wrapped. They're all in good nick. There's none broken or anything like that. I have checked it, which I do before I do the videos because I have to know who they're from to show you them. Not everyone puts the little piece of paper in telling me who they're from, and I'd like to give you all the details. Today we are checking whether the content, the quality, the products are all worth the $3.99, which is what we've done over this entire series so far, checking whether the mystery bags are actually worth the money you pay. Recently we've discovered that Maybelline is a really good product, L'Oreal are really good products. They're the two that generally come in the mystery bags. Maybelline is a really good product that comes in nearly every bag I've done so far, and the previous ones I did about a year ago. And L'Oreal is a close second, and Rimmel is probably in third. So if you like Maybelline products, these are probably the mystery bags for you because they seem to be very, very often used as the mystery bag products. So like I said, this is from Angel17444 or Angel Attire, which is the name on the piece of paper. We're going to take that out. We're going to put our hand in and we're going to pull the little baggie out that it came in, which is even cuter. The fact that it came in this little net bag, which is adorable. There was no P&P. It was just $3.99. Mystery bags don't intend to have P&P. They put the price within the bag. So we'll have 5 items. $3.99, that means each item's worth £1 and you literally get an item for free then. That postage is obviously included, so there's no postage, and they even put it in a net bag, which is adorable. So we'll open the little net bag, put our hand in and take a product out. So the first item we've got is Miss Sporty. We did get one of these the other day in one of the mystery bags, and this is the Fabulous Shade palette, and this one is in Sydney Flirt. I can tell you the other one we had last time was called Las Vegas Show. Inside, you get 3 colours there. Another summer makeup. You get 2 eyeshadows and you get highlighter. So at the top we've got the white highlighter, and then underneath we've got this purple. And then we've got this gorgeous shimmery colour down the bottom, which is kind of a bronze. So you get highlighter and your 2 eyeshadows, so you can get your contouring and your highlighting of your eyes. So that's that. That's worth £1 because I've actually bought them myself. The next one is from LP, Long Lash Mascara. Laura Page Long Lash Mascara, that's what the LP stands for. This is in the colour brown. I had to look on the side because it just says LP, but then when you look round the side it says Laura Page. I've never heard of Laura Page Cosmetics, but this apparently is in brown. So if you have hazel eyes, brown can be a good colour to do your mascara, especially if you've got brown eyes and use the brown to highlight your eyes. It's quite a dark brown, but once again, brown is an okay colour. I don't really use brown. If I was going to highlight my eyes, I would probably use black or blue. But that's nice. Worth £1. The next item is from Max Factor, and this is Vibrant Curve Effect Lip Gloss. This is a tester pot, so these would have been in shops around the country, and then they'd have been discounted once the item was then not used. You do get tester ones sometimes in mystery bags, not very often, but you do get them. They're not really then worth £1, they're more like the extra item. When you pay $3.99, you get £1 each for 4 of them, and then this is basically just thrown in as such, even though you get 5 items. So it's this gorgeous red colour. It's a very vibrant red, and it's got that kind of berry, actually smells like berries. It says Vibrant Curve Effect Lip Gloss. It doesn't have a flavour or a scent, but I would say that it's probably strawberry or berry, looking at, but like I said again, it's a tester, so it's technically the extra item. Next item is from Bright Eyes, and this is the eye pencil. Again, we don't have a colour, so we're just going to call this blue, because that's what it looks like. It's just a blue eye pencil. It's called Bright Eyes is the company. It's a very vibrant blue. It is a very vibrant blue. Look at that. That's this one. I have been testing my other mystery bags here, but this is the vibrant blue. Vibrant blue. Get your words out, girl. That's a very bright colour. So that's there. It's probably worth £1 as well. And the other one is another tester one. Okay, so we've got another tester. So this is the Collection 2000 Tester Colour Match Foundation in Warm Beige. I've had this before because I bought a great big bundle of wholesale makeup to sell on eBay, and this happened to be one of the products. It's a really gorgeous, nice, dropping the lid on the floor, as always, warm colour. I can get just a bit out and show you. Like I said, you do get testers. It's not very often you get testers, to be fair, but you do get them. A tester itself looks like this. Where is it? Here. You can see that under here. So against my skin, it doesn't really show up, but it's got a kind of pinky peach hue to it. My camera probably doesn't do it justice. But it looks like this. So all in all, the Miss Sporty would be worth £1. The eye pencil would be £1. The mascara would be £1. And the 2 testers, they'd probably be worth 50p each. So you do get your £3.99 value, you get your £1 each, and the 2 testers, which are probably worth 50p. So you do get £4 worth of products. I would have loved to get 4 products that were normal and then just 1 tester, but that's the chance you take with a mystery bag. We got Laura Page, we've got Miss Sporty, we've got Colour Collection, we've got Max Factor, which is really cool, and then we've got Bright Eyes Pencil. So all in all, you did get your $3.99 value. I would have liked another product rather than one of the testers, but like I said, mystery bags, they're mysteries for a reason. They did put it in a net bag as well. They did wrap it properly. So you can't complain at that. So that was from Angel17444. They do have a company, I believe. It's from Angel's Attire. I don't know if they have an actual website, but I got this one, obviously, off eBay. I will try and link as much information about the company as I can down below. If you want to comment down below with your favourite product, that would be awesome. If you want to also comment down below if you enjoyed these videos, it lets me know whether to do more. If you want to see my playlist where I have all my mystery bags, there is absolutely loads of them. Once again, do like and subscribe, and I will see you very soon for another video. Take care and thanks for watching. Bye!